Hello.
Yes, we're here.
Okay,
Yeah,
sorry guys, I lose the connection. I lose the internet. Okay. Everyone there, you all?
yeah, I'm right here.
All right.
Yes, Professor.
I was trying to send you a text message, you all, but I didn't find your number.
Professor, I have a question.
Yes.
That's my first time in the class here, but it is very important. But I gotta leave. I gotta go to work. Where can I find your recording?
Okay. The recorder I can send you, I don't have any place that I can post all the recorder. Probably in the future we have another place. But on Saturday we have another section.
What time?
I think it's at 2 p.m. is the other section Saturday. Okay, let me make sure. Okay, okay, perfect. Perfect. We have another section at 2 p.m. Saturday. We have two. Weekly, we have two sections. One on Thursday at 2 and one on Saturday at 2.
All right. Thank you.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
But the one on Saturday is gonna be the same class of today.
Yes, I will be trying to repeat it the same thing, more or less the same thing. More or less, it's not exactly the same. Okay?
Okay.
Today, this week I will be starting from scratch, but the following week is just problems, activities that we have to do it, okay? Together.
Yeah.
Can you send us the recording by email?
I will be trying to send it. I don't have your email already. I can send you to Professor Bajin and he will be sending it to you.
No, I am with Professor Valin.
Who's your professor?
Valin.
Okay, I will be trying to figure out.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. And then let me continue. My last question was how many teaspoon fit on a cup? Joao?
Yeah, give me 1 minute.
All right.
Fine.
Ladies, are you here? Escalona? Right? As you know, the cup have 240 ml and the teaspoon has 5. And then we need to divide 240 divided by 5. How many teaspoon?
48, Professor.
48. Good job.
Good job.
And then how many tablespoons fit on a cup?
Mm,
How many tablespoons fit on a cup?
16.
16.
16.
Okay, 1 pound, how many grams has? 1 pound, how many grams? 1 pound, how many grams? One pound, okay. How many grams has? Everyone remember?
Is
Everyone remember?
Huh?
453.
400.
54. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Another,
100.
there is an important equivalence that everyone need to know. For example, 1 ounce is equivalent to 30 grams, which is equivalent to 30 ml. This is very important for you guys to know this one as a nurse. Okay, this is an important equivalent. 1 ounce is equivalent to 30 grams, which is equivalent to 30 ml.
Professor, gram and ml is the same? They are the same value?
Gram and ml. This
Yeah.
is called equivalent. What do you measure in ml? Something which is liquid. Yes or no?
Yes, and that was solid.
What do you measure on grams? Something that is solid. Yes or no?
Yes.
And then this is just equivalence. This is that we call it equivalence. En Spanish we say que son equivalencias. Okay? Okay. For example, 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram. How many milligrams has? 1 kilogram, how many milligrams?
1 kilogram. That one.
Everyone can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yes. 1 kilogram, how many milligrams?
1,000.
1,000. Okay. Do you remember how you convert from kilograms to milligrams and all of that?
Oh, you have to multiply per 1,000?
Yes. Also, the best way that you can memorize this one is by the following. Look at this. Henry died by drinking chocolate meal. By is the unit that are on the middle. By will be grams, liter, or meter. And then kilogram, hectogram, decagram, the unit are in the middle, deci, centi, and milli. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. If you're going up, you need to divide by 10. If you're going down, you need to multiply times 10. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
For example, if we have 30 liters, how many milliliters are? 30 liter, how many milliliter? Let's
30,
see. You are on this step, and then you go up. 10, 100, and 1,000. 1,000 times 30 will be 30,000 ml. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Another thing that we need to know, 1 milligram, how many micrograms are? Micrograms is a unit which is under
1,000.
milligram. Huh?
1,000.
1,002. Okay, I have remember, okay. As you know, over down to the milli, we have micro, nano, pico, femto, octo, secto, and yocto too. Under this level of the use this unit of conversion. Okay. What is the freezing point of the water? The freezing point of the water.
I don't know.
The freezing point of the water is 32 Fahrenheit or 0 Celsius. This is the freezing point. And the boiling point of the water? 100 or 2012 Fahrenheit. Okay. And the bodily temperature normal? Bodily temperature normal? 90?
96.8? I don't know.
It's like 90,
98.
98.6,
The
which
other
is 37 Celsius. This is in Fahrenheit. Okay. All right. Another thing that everyone need to know is los números romanos. Do you remember that?
Yes.
It's very useful for nursing too. Everyone have to have a background on it. This is 1. This is 5. This is
10.
10. This is 50. This one?
100. 1,000.
100.
100.
This one?
1,000.
5,000. 500. And this one? 1,000. And with all of this one, they combine the numbers. For example, let me suppose that you want to write, for example, 4. You don't have 4, you know, and then you put the 5 minus 1 in front, and then this is 4. And let me suppose that you want to write 10. How you write 9, for example? You put the letter 10, the letter X, and then you put it from minus 1 in front, and this is 9. Okay. I don't want to waste so much time here, and then let me analyze the following problem. The following problem said, a doctor prescribed this medicine, which is glipizide. The doctor prescribed glipizide 16 milligrams. Available, this medicine is available 5 milligrams tablet. Okay. The question is the following: how many tablet you should give it to the patient?
3.
How you do it?
I divided 15.
Okay. X tabs, okay, which is equal to 1 tab. 1 tab have just 5 milligrams times 16 milligram, and then this is finally 3 taps. This is easy, right?
Yes.
Everyone remember what is the formula? What is the formula that we have to follow?
Available, no, ordered divided by available
Desired over
on hand.
To the amount given dose. What is D? What is D?
desired
The desired order. Okay. What is H?
or why you have
What is A? The dose that you have on the
Okay.
container. Okay. And what is B?
volume.
What is B? No, it's not volume. It's something related to volume. What is B? How the dose comes. Okay. What is the way that the dose comes? How will be the dose? Probably could be a tablet. Okay. Could be a capsule. Or will be liquid. Got it, everyone?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's see. Prove yourself. You have a background on. Okay. Let me analyze this. Okay, go ahead. Who can read it? Who can read this first problem? Okay, Anna? Okay, guys, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Can you help me to read, Joao?
A solution contain morphine hydrochloride 40 milligram milliliter. How many milligrams of morphine hydrochloride are in 10 milliliter of the solutions?
Okay. Everyone analyzing the problem and give me the solution. On the container, we have 40 milligrams by ml. And then how many milligrams of morphine hydrochloride are in 10 ml?
Mm,
4.
4?
I'm not sure.
4?
400?
400 or 4?
For me, it's 4.
400.
400. Let's check with 400. Good job. It's 400 because 1 ml contains 40 milligrams of morphine hydrochloride, in the 10 ml solution contain 10 times 40 milligrams, which is 400 ml morphine hydrochloride.
so you multiply 10 for 40.
Got it, everyone?
Yes.
All right, perfect. And then Junior, the following question. A suspension contain pentoin 125 milligrams 5 ml. How many milligrams of pentoin are in a 20 ml of suspension?
$125.
500. No.
500? Okay, let's check. Good job. 1 ml contains 20 milligrams of pentoin, 125 divided by 5, which is 25, and then 20 ml suspension contains 20 times 25, which is 500 milligrams of pentoin. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
You got it? Okay. Go ahead. Everyone analyzing. A solution contains furosemide, 10 milligrams ml. How many milligrams of furosemide are in 2 ml of solution?
$20.
20? Good job. If we have 10 milligrams in 1 ml, and then in 2 ml, we have just 20. Got it? Okay. Erythromycin, 1,250 milligrams was ordered. On hand, in suspension contain 250 milligrams 5 ml. What is the volume is to be given to the patient?
$25.
Okay. What do you did it?
I divided 250 with 5.
And then?
I divided 1250 with the result of the.
Because we have 25, we have 260 milligrams in every 5 ml. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
That's right. Good job. That's the reason that you love math, Joao.
Yeah, but I don't know the formula.
Don't worry, you don't have to know the formula. Forget about the formula. Forget about the formula. If you analyze the problem and you get the solution, this is the best way. This is like a percentage. Okay? It's exactly the same. Okay, read the following problem.
What I do is the rule of 3.
The rule of 3 always applies. The same for, it's the same for
Really, it's
percentage.
To me, it's more simple.
It's more simple. It's more simple.
Yeah.
Okay. A solution contains morphine hydrochloride, 2 milligrams per ml. How many milligrams of morphine hydrochloride are in 5 ml of solution?
10.
10? Good job. You know how many students I was helping? I was proctoring the HESI, and I have a bunch of students that ask me, Professor, how many milligrams we have on this one? Because there is a bunch of questions on the HESI related to this one of calculation. There is a bunch. Okay, paracetamol, 180 milligrams was reordered. On him, in suspension, we contain 120 milligrams times 5 ml. What is the volume to be given to the patient?
Seven 7.5.
7.5?
Not sure.
7.5 because you multiply 180 milligrams times 5 and divide it by 120.
Perfect. Okay, 1 ml contain 25 ml of penicillin. It's exactly the same. Go ahead. Next problem. Fluoxetine, 30 milligram was ordered. And ham is a solution that contains 20 milligrams times 5 ml. What is the volume to be given to the patient?
7.5.
7.5. Say it again?
7.5.
7.5.
Professor, how do we do the drip calculations?
Little by little. Little by little, we'll be getting there. Okay? Today, I not go to drug calculation. We have to have a good background on it, and then we get mastered this one, then we go over the next topic.
Professor, next week we have a quiz of drug.
Next week you have a quiz about it?
Yes.
Okay.
So we need the formula for.
But
drug.
you don't know the formula yet? You don't have the formula yet?
I have, but I don't have.
Mm-hmm. Let's see if we have something. Okay, this is the formula for calculation. This is for those calculation. This one is for, okay. Okay, let's see what is your professor's. This is for the drop factor. That's what you said?
Yes.
Joao?
Yeah, let me write the body.
For the draw diffuser per minute. Everyone can see the presentation?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Remember that for the drop factor, the drams, we have a dram for 20, for 40, and for 60. This is something that you have to keep in mind. There are 3 different kinds. This is random, this is random. Okay, let's do this problem. The doctor ordered magnesium sulfate for to be given over 20 minutes. Magnesium sulfate come in 40 times 1,000 milliliters bottle. You will be set at your point up. How you set at your point? Go ahead. Everyone can see the example on the board?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, example, yeah.
Yeah, okay, go ahead. Give me ideas on it. Remember, the drugs per minute will be calculated as a total volume divided by the time in minutes, multiply the drop factor of 60 per minute, which is also equal to 41.2 rounding to the 42 drugs per minute. Okay, idea on this problem.
I'm lost.
Do we need to change from gram to milligram?
Mm-hmm. Anyone have any idea on it?
No.
I'm
Not yet?
working. I'm working.
Okay.
I don't know, but I got a 5 somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
A 5 ml per hour? I don't know. I'm not sure if it's correct.
Okay.
It's confusing because they're telling you that he ordered 4 gram over 20 minutes, but then they asking you for ml per hour. I don't know.
Okay, take a picture to this example number 3 and this number 4.
That's another one, right?
Yes, this is another one.
Oh, okay.
This is another one.
Let me take a picture.
Yeah, I'm at
Yeah.
50 now.
Hmm.
I'm stuck at 50 now.
50.
You took a picture to both?
No, can you send the other one? Have another.
Okay. Can you see the presentation now?
See.
Okay.
Mhm. Can you put the first one, the one that you,
Okay.
the one that says over, yeah, that one, all right? Ah, wait, que yo lo escribí mal. It said 1,000 ml. Okay, no. I thought it said 100.
It's 20. Okay. The order is 4 to be given over 20 minutes.
Now I got
Magnesium sulfate come 40 times 1,000 ml. How you set out your point? How many ml per hour?
I now I got 50. I think. You divide
That's
the
what I
ml for the minute?
Huh?
Do you divide the mLs by the minute?
Okay. What else?
Then I don't know if per hour, so that means multiply by 60.
And then?
Ahí me quedé. I don't know.
The solution is 300 ml per hour.
Can you show the how you
That's
do
what I
it?
want. That you show me. You show me. This is your homework. 3 and 4 for next time that we meet. Figure out how you do it. The solution for this one is 300. How is 300?
Because then after that you divide or multiply by 40, or no, by 0.04.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. Hold on. Multiply. No. Okay, hold on. Okay, it's 40 grams. Times 60 divided by 7. No.
No one have an idea on it? The sulfate is given over 20 minutes. And the sulfate come 40 in 1,000.
So it's 1,000. Okay.
Everyone got it?
No.
Okay, let me go over some details for this example that I can, some tips that you can develop. Okay. Okay, so you need to give them four of magnesium sulfate over 20 minutes. That's right. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, how the magnesium come? How the magnesium come?
40
40 times
over.
1000 ml. Yes or no?
Yes.
And then you divide it 4 by 40 and multiply in time 1000.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the result of that?
Divided 4 by 40. 100.
50 ml.
100.
And then divide hours, 60 minutes divided by 20. Okay. And then multiply the result by 100.
Yeah, but that's the thing. Why 100 and not 1,000? Because I got 3,000, but not 300. Why 100?
Why 100? Because you have 4 in 40.
Okay.
40, 40, right? Okay, thinking on that, this is a problem that we'll be leaving for you guys. Sample number 3 and 4, both is the same methodology for getting solved. Okay, remember when you divide 40 by 4 by 40 and then multiply it times 1000 ml, what you get?
100.
We get 100. 100.
You get 100. Okay.
And then you divide it 60 over
And then
20.
you divide it 60 by
20
and multiply the result by
100.
and then what you get?
300.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. This is okay. Let me check with you guys first of all. Okay. Hold on a second. I want to share this one with you. Can you go to conversation?
Signs using for Mondays. Super button.
Everyone got a conversation?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let me go over this one. Some practice that, or some problems that many of you can have on those problems. Can you see the screen now?
Yes.
Oh, the conversation or your screen? Oh, the screen, yeah.
Best practice. Everyone can see it now?
Yes, Professor.
Okay. The units always followed by the amount of sample 5 grams, no gram 5. You know, I think that the problem that we have before had this problem. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because they put the letter G in front of the number. We need to use this weight always 5 grams. Okay, not this one. The problem has I seen that problem. The period is used after the unit abbreviation because it might be mistaken by the number 1 is written poorly. For example, write 20 milligrams instead of put a point at the end. Never put a point there. Do not add S to make it plural because it may be misread by another unit. For example, 5 mLs. Don't put the S at the end.
Yeah.
Okay, never put it because they have another meaning. Separate the amount from the unit so that the number and the unit measured do not run together because the unit can be mistaken as a 0 or zeros, risking a tenfold and tenfold overdose. For example, 20 milligrams separated, don't put it together. Place a space amount with more than 4 digits. For example, 1,000 unit, but no 10,000 unit. You know how you need to put the comma after the 10 to separate the three units. Don't put it like this. The way that even the system and the computer recognize it is by put a 10, comma, and the 3 zeros. This is the way that the computer even recognize it. Can be misunderstanding. Instead of 10,000, if you put the comma, look like 1,000. Decimal are used to designate fractions amount. For example, 1.5 ml. Don't use decimal numbers. You know, like a mixed number. Use like decimal 1.5. Never you miss a number. Use the leading zero to emphasize the decimal point for a fraction amount less. For example, never put a 0.5. You have to put a 0.5. We normally in the school we use 0.5, but we have to specify which is 0.5. Omit the unnecessary tail zero. They can be misrepresenting. For example, 1.5, don't write 1.50 is the same. Okay, and there could be a misunderstanding. Just write 1.5. Okay, use the abbreviation. You do not use the abbreviation this one for microgram because it's by being mistaken by milligrams, which is 1,000 times the intended amount. For micrograms, use MSAG. Okay, not this one. Do not use the abbreviation CC for ml because the unit can be mistaken from 0. For example, 500 ml is not 500 cc.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. Always capitalize the letter the L to indicate a liter. The lower L is easily confused with the number 1.
Professor,
Yes.
on Saturday, at what time is your class?
On Saturday, we meet at 2 p.m.
Because I have to go to work
Okay. On Saturday, we meet at 2 p.m.
at 2 p.m. Okay, Professor.
Yeah.
Thank you for the class. I see you on Saturday.
See you on Saturday. I will be trying to do when you have the quiz next week, right?
Yes.
The quiz is just related to
Growth factor.
drop factor. Okay. Okay. Do you receive these classes already about the drop factor?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Yes or no?
No.
And how you have a quiz for the content that you never did it?
Yeah, I did it, bro. I did it like 2 semesters ago.
Oh, you did it 2 semesters ago. Okay, I will be figuring out, then I will be covering drop factor on Saturday too.
Okay, Professor. Thank you.
Okay?
Okay, bye-bye.
See you guys. We finished for today. See you on Saturday at 2 for those who want to participate.
Thank you.
And remember, every single week we'll be meeting every Thursday and Saturday at 2.
Thank you, Professor.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye. Have a great day, everyone.